of person with a soul trying to fly. I aim to break the laws of nature.